Good morning, boys. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and that you are ready to begin a new week. So, boys, I want to let you know that starting today, we are going to do a countdown for summer. And this week, we are 5 weeks away from summer. So every week, we're going to count down less and less. So this week we are 5 weeks away. We only need 5 more weeks till summer. So just because it's almost summer, that does not mean we are going to slack. Actually, we're going to try even harder since we are almost till the end. So today we are Monday and we are in week 7. So we are going to work on algebra today, and the worksheet for today is called 349. So when you look for it, your worksheet should look like this: 349. And this worksheet is exactly like the one we have done, the one that we did last week actually. The only difference is that it's a new number. This week we're doing 349. So to start off, you're going to write your name on the top left corner, and you can put the date somewhere up here. Today is April 26, 2021. And I'm going to do some with you, and the rest you will work on it on your own. The first one we are going to do is this one right here, and it says write 349 in expanded form. So we know that expanded form is writing down the number exactly how you hear it. So to me, that is the easiest way. When I think of expanded form, to me, what is easier is just to say the way I hear it is the way I'm going to write it down. So, for example, we would do this. So 349. So let's say it slowly so you can hear what I'm talking about. So first we're going to put 300 349. That is exactly how you hear it and exactly how you should write it. The way expanded form is the way you hear it is the way you write it. 300 plus 40 plus 9 equals 349. And now we're going to go over the one next to it, and it says fill in the equation below. So here all you're going to do is exactly what they're asking you. In the first one it just says 349 plus 1. What comes after 349? So we add one more to 349 is 350. And if it's hard for you to just think it, you can put the calculator. You're just going to put 349 plus 1, 350. And that is what we're going to write here. 350. Oh, sorry. $350. Now over here on the top, it's saying fill in the numbers to make each equation true. So last time they gave us 2 numbers and we had to put in whether it was the greater than sign or less than sign. Here they're giving you a number and the sign. They just want you to put the number. So here you can put any number you want as long as it goes along with what it's saying here. So we always know that the alligator eats the biggest number. So here, where is the symbol pointing at? Yes, the symbol is pointing to 580. So that means that the bigger number here is 508. Sorry, not 80. So over here, you can write any number that is smaller than 508. So you could put 507 or 400. I'm going to do 400, but any number that is less than 508. And that is what you're going to do for these two too. Look at the symbol, check what they're asking for, and then put the number you think goes. Over here, it says write the number below in order from least to greatest. So all you're doing here is just going from the smallest number to the biggest number. I will help you out with one. So here we have 688, 513, 436, 727, and 349. Which one is our smallest number? Is it the 6, the 5, the 4, the 7, or the 3? Yes, the 3. Good job. So 349. And then you all will keep going. Now here it's saying use the number line below to skip count by tens to find the sums. So here what you're going to do is use the number line below to skip count by tens to find the sums. So you're going to skip count by 10. So okay, so just add 10 more. So if you could do it on your head, that is fine, but if not, just write it down. 312, and then we're gonna go 10 more. Oh, sorry. Plus 10, 322. 322. Then plus 10 again, 332. And you're just going to keep going and adding 10 and adding 10. Whatever number gives you up over here will be your number here. If it's easier for you, you can just put 312 plus 60. So 312 plus 60 is 372. 372. And this number should be your number over here. 372. Just keep counting, skip count by 10. So what comes after 332 plus 10, and then you're going to go and so on. And that is the same thing you're going to do over here in the bottom. Now here, it's talking about circle the value of the underlying number. So we know we have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So if the 4 is underlined, what is it? Is the 4 considered 400, 40, or 4? Yes, the number is 40. This is our tens place. If you say it out loud, you can hear 349. So 40, it's right there. And now for our last one, you're just going to write what number goes in the hundreds, what number goes in the tens, and what number goes in the ones. Once you are done, do not forget to submit your work, take a picture, submit your work to Teams, and give a thumbs up for attendance. Once you have completed all of those steps, you are good for today, boys. We will see you here back tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.